हेलो एवरीवन, रंग भरी रचना में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आज आपके लिए कॉटन साड़ीज़ लेके आई हूँ। प्योर कॉटन साड़ी, फुल वीविंग जरी बॉर्डर्स के साथ। डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं, डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स हैं सभी साड़ियों के, और टेम्पल बॉर्डर के साथ हैं, रनिंग ऑल थ्रू आउट द बॉर्डर्स। इन साड़ियों का प्राइस, ईच साड़ी इज़ प्राइस्ड एट ₹1800 ओनली with the blouse piece. Usually these sarees doesn't sell out without doesn't sells with the blouse piece, but I am providing these sarees with the blouse piece. Total brocade blouse piece these are. Now let's understand the sari. Look at the beauty of the sarees. Very beautiful sarees these are. Let's start with the sari number 1, which is red sari. Sari number 1 is a very beautiful red shade with the sea green and dark green borders, Ganga Jamna borders, full forest theme borders these are. Just look at the beauty of the border. Deer motifs with the peacock weaved in it, forest theme, flowers, trees, ambis, beautiful ambi beauties are woven in the sarees. Now let's see the pallu part of the sari. Look at the richness of the sari, how beautiful these will look after wearing. This is the pallu of the sari. Look, contrast pallu with the temple border all through the sari, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, full 1 meter blouse piece. Sari is full 5.5 meter, fully weaved blouse piece this is. Look at the flower motifs. 3 different motifs are there: purple, red and golden. Look at the richness of the blouse piece. Look at the richness of the sari. These are the party wear sarees, festivities. You can wear on small festivals, gatherings, and you can wear it in light functions also. Now let's see sari number 2, which is dark green with maroon and orange color combination border with the pink blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Look at the richness of the blouse piece. Look at the work which is done on it. Look at the borders of the sari. Beautiful door and mango motifs concept is there on the border. Look how beautifully zari weaved it. This is the pallu. This is the Ganga Jamna border style, orange border on the top of the sari, and the lower part is with the maroon. This is sari number 2 for you. Now let's see sari number 3. Priced at ₹1800 only. See, this tan shade will come with the dark purple and dark red combination. Look at the richness of the sari. Look at the fall of the sari. How beautiful sari will look after drape. This is the blouse piece, which I will be providing with this sari. See the richness of the blouse piece. Beautiful flower motifs are there, and look at the color combination of the sari. You can wear it anywhere. This sari will come with the dark purple pallu and with the temple tiny border running all throughout the body, throughout the border of the sari. Now let's see the palla of the sari. This is the pallu part of the sari. Beautiful dark purple shade it is. Now sari number 4. Sari number 4 is a very beautiful golden rod shade with the sea green combination blouse piece, fully zari weaved blouse piece it is, with the flower motifs all over on the blouse piece. And look at the color combination of this sari, amazing color combination with sea green and dark red shade border, with the temple border running through out the borders, like this. This come with the green, dark green temple border here, and in the lower half it is red combination. And this is the very beautiful color contrast there is with the sea green pallu. See how beautiful sari will look after drape. It's a very light weighted sari, a very beautiful pure cotton sari it is. You can wear it anywhere, anytime, very light weighted. Now let's see sari number 5. Sari number 5 is orange red, dark orange red shade combination with the green contrast blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the ambi woven on it, ambi design on this. Look at the richness of the blouse piece. All blouse pieces are equally beautiful, not less than the saris. Look at the color combination, just wow. Look at the pallu part of the sari. This is the pallu, and these are the borders of the sari. See, very beautiful flower and mango weaves blouse border it is, with running all throughout the sari. Look at the temple border on it, on both the edges of the sari. Look at the dark red shade border. It, oh my wow, it is. You can wear it anywhere. You can wear it in on any puja festival. You can wear it small gatherings. Very lightweighted and very beautiful sari these are. Now let's see sari number 6, which is a very beautiful rosy brown shade with the dark purple. Oh my god, look at the sari, dark purple with the dark pink combination it is. Look at the sari. Oh wow, look at the richness of the sari with the, this is a very dark pink. It's might be showing some color variations. It might be going in red, but it's basically it's a very pink shade on it, light pink, sorry, dark red pink it is, and double toned blouse piece. Look at the border of the sari, amazing border. Look at the richness, look at the fall of the sari, again with the forest theme in it. This is the forest theme, with peacock and deer motifs and mango motifs all running throughout the border of the sari. Look at the pallu part of the sari. Let's see the pallu part. See, this is the pallu part of the sari. See how beautiful sari will look after drape. Amazing color combination, amazing work done, beautiful. This is the pallu part, fully zari weaved lines on it. This is how the sari will look after draping. Now let's see sari number 7. Sari number 7 is a very beautiful green yellow shade with the coffee shade blouse piece will it come, and there are very beautiful flowers and green mango motifs woven on the blouse piece. Look at the richness of the sari. Look at the lightweighted, very lightweighted sari these are, with the dark coffee shade in it, and orange color border, again forest theme. See the deers and peacock motifs and mango motifs all over on the border. And now let's see the pallu part of the sari. Amazing. You can wear it anywhere. You can use it as a gifting purpose also. Priced at only 1800 rupees only. Very beautiful. Look at the color combination. Oh my god. Look at the richness of the sari. Amazing, amazing work done. So these sarees are priced at rupees 1800 only. People who like it, kindly WhatsApp me for booking. The number is 987 366 2033. Kindly